Hey, what's up, guys? I'm in Lexington, Kentucky. I'm just driving around. I'm starving. I'm thinking about to go and get some food. You know what I'm saying? I see people love the Indian food. You know what I'm saying? I'm just going to go ahead and get me some Indian food. You know what I'm saying? Please don't go anywhere. Stay here. Don't move. I'm going to show you how I'm going to eat that food. Okay? Last night, I went out last night and I came home around like 5 in the morning. Yeah, man, I was so tired. I just wake up. Yeah, last night I had a good night, bro. I was about to take some girls home last night. You know, I told them I got the place. Let's go to my place. They didn't want to. Next time I will take some women home. I gotta go get them though. Yeah, I'm not lying though. I'll take some home. Yeah. Wow. What's up, guys? We just get some food. You know what? Let's eat together. Whoa. It's my first time eating this. Wow. Oh. Wow. Yeah, that was a very nice meal. I really liked that meal. I had a good time. You know what I'm saying? I had a great time. That was a very beautiful meal. You know, I like the rice. You know, the rice was very good. The chicken, whatever they give me, it doesn't taste like chicken though. It tastes like something else. Probably like, it tastes like pork. That wasn't chicken. You know, I eat a lot of chicken. When I come to chicken, I know how they taste. Yeah, that wasn't chicken. That was like pork. You know what I'm saying? But I really like it. Wow. My fried fish, my grilled fish, my hot peaches, my white tea. Goodbye, nigga. All I care about is make money. Wow, that was a very beautiful meal. Very cheap meal. It was like $8.50. That is a very nice meal, right? Wow. My hand is full, though. That is a very nice meal. Wow. Wow. This is the salad. You better think about me when you drink, nigga. Y'all, I don't care what you say. You better think about me when you sleep, nigga. Y'all, I am the call, man. Yo, I wake up in the morning, I be like, Mama, where's my breakfast? I wake up in the morning, I feel like, sister, where's my breakfast? Everybody look at me crazy. I don't care, man. I am the company. Yeah, last night, I didn't sleep last night. I was thinking about... Wow, guys. We just get some chicken. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna eat some chicken. See that? You see how beautiful it is, man? That's good stuff. I'm having a good time, guys. Wow, guys, that was a nice meal. I like that tender meal. That was very nice. I had a good time with it. You know what I'm saying? Only problem I had with that tender, they were too thick, too big. You know what I'm saying? I like small tenders. Wow. Wow, that tender was fire, bro. I love that tender, bro, but I believe I can do it better. I can do that tender better. You know what I'm saying? I can do that tender better. They were too big. You know what I'm saying? I can do it better. If I take my time, I can do good tenders. You know what I'm saying? I just don't have time to do tenders. But if I take my time, I can fry some good tenders. You know what I'm saying? Next time I'm gonna tell them I need that tender grill so I can get that taste. They don't have to fry it. They can just grill it for me. Because it was too thick. I don't know why they fry it though. They can just grill it. Chicken tender, y'all. Wow. Wow. Whoa. Them tenders too big, man. I like it. Them is small.
I don't care if I fried chicken. All I care if my fried chicken, my fried fish, my grilled fish, my hot peaches, my white tea. Goodbye, nigga. All I care about
That's good chicken.
Make money. Talk about make money. You better eat it.
They're too big, man.
I work hard for that woman. I work hard for that YouTube. But I you say you want to put the mouth. I work hard for that woman.
That is good tender, though.
I work hard for that woman. I work hard for that YouTube. But you say you want to put the mouth.
Good tender. I like that tender. Let me try the mac and cheese, y'all. Let me try the mac and cheese. Let me see how it tastes.
I work hard for that woman. I work hard for that woman.
I have to keep that clean, you know.
Hard for that YouTube.
Let me try the green bean first. Huh? That's different. Yeah, look at that green bean. It's different.
I work hard for that woman.
It's different. Wow. I like the taste though. Wow, guys, I love that green beans. Whoa, I like that season. I like the way they cook that green beans. It's not from the can to the plate. A lot of places I went to, from the can to the plate, they don't put no season. Those guys, they put season.
Last night, I didn't sleep last night. I was thinking about chicken wings.
Wow, that green beans was fire, man. I love that green beans. That was fucking fire, bro. I couldn't believe it, man. He has the best taste ever. Yeah, my auntie Nina, she knows how to do green beans. She's very good beans, but she's not too good with mac and cheese. You know what I'm saying? She knows how to do green beans very well. Yeah, my auntie Nina, she's very good. You know what I mean? That's why I like to go to her house sometimes to eat her food. She's very good. You know, she's the best, you know, in the family. A little bit salty. A little bit salty. A little bit salty though. What about the mac and cheese? Let me try the mac and cheese, see how it tastes. That one is different. See, it's different. Look at how it looks. See? It's different. It's okay, man. I like it. Whoa, guys, that mac and cheese was the best mac and cheese. You know, I like that mac and cheese, man. I like the taste. I like everything about that mac and cheese. You know what I'm saying? I never see any woman who can do mac and cheese better than my sister. My sister is the best in mac and cheese. You know, she put a lot of stuff on her mac and cheese. She's the best. That's why I like to go to her house to eat her food. Whoa! I love it. I like it. Done. That is a nice smell though. The tender was good, bruh. That was good tender. So now let me think.